Let's talk about the dangers of using Signal and Telegram. Ever since WhatsApp announced their privacy policy in early January, there has been a surge in the number of Signal and Telegram users. This was encouraged by the tweets from Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, endorsing Signal. Most people migrated out of fear that Facebook will expose their private conversations, without even understanding the new WhatsApp privacy policy. Before rushing to download Signal or Telegram, have you studied them? How good are they? Are you sure your privacy will be guaranteed there? I'll talk about the limitations and weaknesses of Signal and Telegram. I think it's important for you to get the whole picture before taking a decision. Think twice before leaving WhatsApp. If you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe and press the bell to get immediately notified of our upcoming videos. Like WhatsApp, Signal and Telegram use end-to-end encryption, meaning messages are transmitted in an unintelligible form. Those who intercept the message won't be able to read it. However, no security system is perfect. Take note that though the communications are encrypted, the receiver of your message clearly has access to whatever you sent. That individual could expose your private conversations. Even if they don't do so, the messages could be left on their devices and could be accessed by someone else. What if your device is stolen? All your private chats will be open to whosoever gets the device. What does this mean? Your privacy depends on the people you talk to as well. How much do you trust them? Do they protect what you share with them? This is irrespective of whether you are on WhatsApp, Signal or Telegram. In a certain FBI investigation, Signal messages sent by James Wolfe, former Senate Intelligence Committee aide, were accessed by the FBI. They also got some intel about the encrypted messaging habits of New York Times reporter Ali Watkins after the Justice Department seized her communication records. These are just some examples of how your privacy can be violated despite end-to-end encryption on Signal, WhatsApp or Telegram. Do you keep track of how many devices store your encrypted messages? By synchronizing your chats between your smartphone and laptop, or if you back up your chats in the cloud, it gives more opportunities for data to be exposed. Both Signal and WhatsApp allow mobile desktop synchronization of data. What about cloud backups? If your data is stored in the cloud automatically by these apps, they could be accessed from there. The chats could be encrypted in the app but not in the cloud. Even if they are encrypted in the cloud, any motivated hacker can crack the encryption. Did you know that Telegram is highly used by scammers for their activities? Job scams have been on the rise through Telegram, especially due to the pandemic. Scammers can use Telegram to connect with potential victims if they already have their phone number stored. This is because Telegram notifies you when someone in your contact list has joined the app. This is clearly not convenient because it exposes you to the threat. You can block users or choose who sees when you were last seen on the app, but unfortunately, you cannot stop others from seeing whether you have Telegram installed if they have your phone number. I don't know about you, but I think that's a security issue. This is not the case with WhatsApp though. It is worth noting that cybercriminals have scammed victims out of $6.5 million, and it continues increasing on Telegram. Other inconveniences of Signal include the challenge with updates. You are obliged to install each update when released, without which you cannot send messages to your contacts. With WhatsApp, you can still send messages between different versions. Am I saying that WhatsApp is perfect? Certainly not. I just want you to know that all of these apps have their limitations, and switching to Signal or Telegram is not going to solve your privacy issues. If you truly want to eliminate privacy totally, then leave the internet completely and go back to the pre-technology age. Are you ready for that? If you're already on WhatsApp, think twice before leaving it. What do you think? Which app will you recommend and why? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and share it to all your contacts on social media. People need to be edified on this issue. Please hit the subscribe button below and press the bell to receive updates on our knowledge-packed videos. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, best tech remains your best bet.